Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by splitting the cabbage and salting it to extract water. This concentrates flavor and creates space for fermentation. While the cabbage rests for 1-2 hours, measure 5 tablespoon gochujang, 2 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 3 cloves minced garlic, and 1 tsp grated ginger. Once the cabbage is pliable, rinse well twice to remove excess salt and drain for about 15 minutes. Make sure to keep some moisture so the paste will adhere properly later. Now make the gochujang paste. Blend the gochujang with fish sauce, sugar, garlic, ginger, and 1-2 tablespoon water until spreadable. This balances spice, saltiness, and fermentable sugar. Once mixed, you must work quickly. Using gloves, rub the paste thoroughly between every leaf so flavor penetrates. Next, tightly pack the cabbage into clean jars, press down to eliminate air pockets, and leave 2-3 centimeters of headspace for gases that will form during fermentation at room temperature. Finish by sealing loosely or using an airlock and fermenting for 2 to 5 days at about 18-22 degrees C. Warmer speeds souring, cooler slows it, so taste daily until balance of tang and heat pleases you. Once ready, refrigerate to slow fermentation and keep texture crisp. If something goes wrong, like it becomes overly sour, briefly rinse the surface, drain, then toss with a fresh gochujang and sugar glaze to rebalance flavor. Make sure to discard if off-smelling or mold appears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.